I-Lunch Crunch ku-Bizarre FM 104.1 The Pumping Beat of Egas. Lana ngoma lebiya ku-Static Flow. Ithi Joburg. Uthi habi kafuna impilo lengcono. Ngathemba soyitholile lapha eJozi. Static Flow angikwamukele ku-Lunch Crunch na ku-Bizarre FM kunjani?
Ngiyaphila ninjani?
Usuke ekudzala la uhlala khona. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi impilo lengcono seyikhona. Isenzo seJoburg.
Izoba khona ngenkani impilo engcono.
Kumuntu longakwadi lolalele la lokuqala kuva ngale ngoma le Static Flow ngibani lovela kuphi kwendani?
Static Flow suka ePE bayibiza iGqeberha eEastern Cape, but currently I'm located eJoburg.
Yeah.
I'm an artist, hip hop artist, entrepreneur. I'm just an artist. Anything that edibene art iyangimuva nje. So that's who Static Flow is.
Bantu abaningi ba-inspire iJoburg nani ngifuna kuyithola ukuthi i-hip hop wena uyithole ePE kumbe umculo uthole ePE?
Yes, I mean I think isihlanganiswa hustle eJoburg more than anything else.
Yeah.
So it comes from all walks of life. Usinale hustle mentality ku-City of Gold. So mna ndifumana ekhaya. Utata wam was a singer kwi-choir. Umamam was an artist in terms of writing plays kwi-choir naye. So indaba yomculo nje ne-art iphuma ekhaya kahle kahle.
Yeah.
And then ndaphelela size eJoburg to hustle and further i-art yami.
Le hip hop mawusho la kulabatali ayiveli uyithatha ke wena hip hop?
I think after kwezicala lempa i-vocalist iye yangichana kakhulu. I was like, yo, okay, I love music. And after Tuleni, I'm not very good, but I'm good at writing.
Yeah.
I was also a hip hop dancer at some point. So
Okay.
I think the sound yomculo we hip hop isingqi esi somculo we hip hop isukela from me being a hip hop dancer. Because bekho amaxesha si dance to instrumentals ukubone just beats without anyone rapping. So I think most of the time spending time these are instrumentals kulapho ndakwazi khona ukubhala hip hop uyabona. I think it started with poetry where I would write poems and then it developed again yayi raps, which is what you find in hip hop.
Okay, singabuyela nalapha ku-poetry. Ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi yini lethe wena sebenzisa ulimi lasekhaya because ngale ngathi 3 months cup cishe sisilebe ngimati ngikhanya lo sebenzisa ke le home language, but mawuthi poetry vele ngayifaka ulimi lasekhaya yini wena le kwende ukuthi okay angisebenzisi nelimi lasekhaya?
Okay, so I think as umuntu uye uzifune most of the time bengikade ngirepa nge-English, purely English, ne?
Yeah.
I think as ixesha lihamba nami ndikhula I got in touch with who I am ukuthi ngubani velaphi and nami ndavela nane-pride ukuthi manje isiXhosa simnandi.
Yeah.
Uyabona, you'd find a lot of people fascinated nge-clicks. Uyabona uqhilile uCava, you know, just an example. So I think ndiye ndanala pride nozidla ba okay, look, Static Flow ngunwabisa nisuke ebhayi. What can set me apart? You don't ezodohlula mna kwabanye abantu.
Yeah.
I think that's when I started using isiXhosa kakhulu. And ngamanye amaxesha xa ubhala you like, hey man, this thing, why is it so hard for me ibhale le ngoma? And all of a sudden ingoma ngoku it becomes easy xa ubhala ngelwimi lakho because obviously naxa uvuka uthethe isiXhosa uvuka uthethe English.
Yeah.
So I think it's more of the identity yam ukuba ndingubani and ukwazisa abantu ukuthi ndingumXhosa and making the Xhosa tribe proud at some point.
Manje batheni la ndlini ngoba bonke bamasinga wena wahluka nje ngokusho ukuthi nalabo ufuna kuhluka la kulesini wena hip hop bakusupportile batheni?
Yo kakhulu, and you see my mom was i-writer naye. So
Yeah.
when it comes to into edibene nokubhala uyabona because umuntu wokuqala ndamvisa my first raps bayibo mama jonga ndibhala intoni and then ndamamelisa bandibhale intoni and she was like, yo hayi imnandi le nto mntanami kodwa kawususe apha ufake apha ususe le ufake le uyabona. So she was that type of person ukuthi ndiyakwazi ukuya kuye nangoku emdala.
Yeah.
But fortunately for me umama wami ngumuntu ocatch izinto. She was not as much as the age yakhe emdala, but bengumuntu oziqondayo. She's aware of what's happening with the youth.
Yeah.
Because she's a school teacher. So izinto ezifana nomculo wethu ayonto be-foreign because as umzali kufuneka ube ne-interest ukuthi umntana akho wenza ntoni okanye what happens kwi-age group yomntana wakho. So yeah, I think it was well received because bengihleli kakade ndibukele izinto eTVini, ndiphume endlini ndinxiba impahla dripping in track suits, sneakers, ndiyahamba ndiyoperforma, ndiyahamba ndiyodansa. So I think they were used to that already. Uyabona. Yeah, it was well received ekhaya. I think it's because it wasn't a flop.
Yeah.
So yeah, bendirayima kakhulu and I think whatever I wrote was something that they could be proud of. So khange ibe into etheni ekhaya. It was something that was received dwell.
Usaba kusho ukuthi makwakho usekhipha le nhlamba la kulama lyrics but ngisho ukuthi yeah uyakhipha le valga lapha ngifuna leligama la Static Flow because ngibone kwe-Twiza show yeah uyufike vele wafika nangalamanye ama flow but mawuthi uyabuka i-background yakho uye kubo switch bo put me on uvele nakubo Back to the City if I'm not mistaken nabo Hype Magazine kuthi vele kahle uvela straight la kunale hip hop khona angeke ngifake under ama female nemajita khona vele lo walimadako so the name libiyaphelele Static Flow.
Yeah yabona indaba yini you know for some reason indaba yegama lika Static Flow was not hard. Yazi kwakutheni but it's just a name yavela yafika enhloko bayibo ufuna kuzibize umuntu at the end of the day you need the alias stage. I think igama was God given. I'm not even going to lie because ngizibize Static Flow ningayazi noba iminsha ntoni into ka Static Flow to be honest. Ngine ngisokola no explain but eventually as ixesha lihamba yonke into endizayo ended up linking to igama elila. Bona but how this person can flow. As ixesha lihamba ngichange flows and well developed when it comes to being able to change flows. You know, I'm rapping faster than most people for some reason. So with the name Static Flow, it just means static, electricity, and then flow, it comes back to how I rap because with every song that I do, I never rap the same way. It changes flows here and there. So I think in this busy God gave me the name thing I asked along the way, whatever I did, it's with the name. So I think that's the story behind the name Static Flow.
Unema achievement lamaning attend ma event lamaning lapha ngibalile ukuthi Back to the City master class nebo women in hip hop but when I decided go in the documentary yenu nebo make laba ku hip hop in there inspired that documentary.
All right, so apho kusuka khona right akukho opportunities ezininzi especially for hip hop artists. So I wasn't about to say ukuthi angizoqhubekeka nge-hip hop okanye ngizoqhubekeka ngento engiyithandayo because there's struggles and challenges. So around me bekwekhona ke obviously women in hip hop abastrugglishayo abafana njengami. I think inkofikelele ixesha in my career whereby nami as someone I want to give back okanye kube khona i-burning desire enhlizweni yami just to say ukuthi hey man why don't you do something izidibanise and help the next person. Uyabona so with experience engike ndayifumana because even though ndandisegqibeka uyabona I had the opportunity yokuthi kufike uReason abamazungu sizwe alakhaya right now. I think it was years back uyabona kungekho nto kudry kungekho events kungekho opportunities but I was called up to open for uReason ngoku ndiphana amongst a lot of people. There was a point whereby kwafika even uTumi which is Stogie T. We were doing a festival in my hood. And fortunately for me, I was the person chosen when I performer for Rihanna and all of that. So I think with Ezos and for me, I felt like I need to help the next person. So with women in hip hop, in this sense, I'm not going to lie, it's not easy for Abanda Bapingole in the industry. They have a lot of challenges. I felt with the little that I have, and even there was a proposal, there was in the municipality, and pitchy idea, then why not? So it was a matter of women in hip hop was events at that time and workshops. Apho khona again, the many assistants at Rebecca municipality together women and do a women in hip hop event. And especially COVID, we did it online. And then Sakubek the following year, Science as the actual event. So it was the lineup, DJs, females, photographer, female, artist, female. I partnered with other females to actually do an event. So yeah, I think as an artist, a point whereby now you need to do something for the next person. If you go up a level, pull the other ones up. That's what was a Woman in Hip Hop was about. Dafige Josie, we did a Woman in Hip Hop podcast. Nabo Rashid K, masterclass, which was very dope. We are going to go back to the office. So yeah. It was short-lived, but I think he easily impact yayo as well.
Before ubaleka la ngenda liphutha mangakubuti mawufika ku the Twiza show. Bolapha how was it sijabulele thina lesibukelele kube bekunjani kuba ku the Twiza show?
Yo and it's crazy because every time ngibukela la video ingathi intsha. Uyabona since something new. Ngizibuza ukuthi hayibo kwenzekani what happened? Bekusenzekani kubekanje? But it was a great experience, I'm not going to lie. Utwiza hit me up from one of e-videos speaker. Kusotra Cypher, we did works no speaker. He hit me up. freestyle endayenzayo ba yo, you know, we started communicating what I need you on the Tswaiza sha. Like hayibo kanjani. But it was a great experience. It was nerve-wracking as usual. I think as the artist, okay, it's a story sakho. You can't as nerves make it back on for you to be, you know, great. So it was a great experience. I'm not gonna lie. It was the first time I did anything NG on live camera. The response was massive, especially back home. Abantu abaninzi bayayazi ngiyakwazi urapper, but I don't know what happened. So I think I had a point to prove.
Yeah.
And also the fact that isiXhosa ndisifake kakhulu there as well. Hi, kuyabalekwa. The video is even over 100K right now on socials, over 1 million. It certainly put a stamp of approval on everything that I've been doing for the past 10 years.
Yeah.
So really dope experience.
Asikhuluma ngale ngoma le Joburg iphumile itholakala ku.
So with the Joburg, it was me introducing some of the songs that were going to be on my album. Skybeki date, but first thing 2026. That's the album. Joburg uzophuma kwi-upcoming album yami ezayo. Joburg ingoma yo reflector man. I think it's a very emotional song as well. Introspection song. If umuntu know when they get the chance to listen to the whole song, yabona.
Yeah.
Indaba yokuba bendihlelele and just reflecting and looking at everything around me. Ukuthi ubomi obuse Joburg bunjani. Sishiya amakhaya, sishiya ifamily. Sishiya abantwana abanye sishiya, you know, a lot to sacrifice and say ngifuna isebenze lento yomculo uyabona. And the only way to know ukuthi izawusebenza is me coming to the city of gold apha makuphupha fezeka khona uyabona. So I think you as a person coming to Joburg is that last thing yokuba, you know what, let me give this another try sibone ukuthi kuzawuthini. If all else fails, it's fine. I'm not a failure. I'm just going to rewrite a new chapter. So with Joburg, reflector around me is the experience zabanye abantu, because akukho need ukuthi ufunde kweyakho experience ngamanye amaxesha uyakwazi ufunda kwe-experience omunye umuntu. We talk about the hardships, or rather I talk about the hardships zomuntu experiencer living in Joburg as an artist, as a struggling artist, unsigned, with no sponsor, with no label, with no team, and just thinking ukuthi amaphupha mazawufezeka. The song was produced by Ubenko from Rustenburg. He's an artist and a really dope videographer and a producer. So kuzininzi izinto endizipheka ke noBenko. I mean, this is one of the greatest nazo uJoburg. So yeah, it's a reflective song, emotional song, ukuthi umuntu ayazi bakholula kwaba abantu noba baposta ku social media ukuthi life is good. Bayaxoka most of the time. You know, it's hard, but we push beyond that. I think ingoma is an inspiration ezinye artists that want to come here, lezi ezilapha, lezi ezistrugglishayo, lezi ezizikwazi ujonga at the back ukuthi basukaphi.
Ku social media umuntu ofuna ukubona ke ungacoki ke wena ukuthi abantu bayacoka batshele ema social media details zakho bakuthola ku.
All right, the Facebook Static Flow makes sense.
Yeah.
And then TikTok Static Flow doesn't have a W.
Yeah.
FLO at the end. Yafumaneka na ku Instagram Static Flow, Twitter ke anikho mninzi kakhulu ku Twitter, but ndikhona na ku Twitter, but mainly Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Send that DM nandiyaphendula kakhulu. If it's something makes sense, then ndiyaphendula.
Okay.
Sure.
No, siyabonga ukuthi ube nazi lunch crunch. Siyabonga.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu. Thank you so much for having me.
Bizarre FM 104.1 The Pumping Pero Fekasi Lunch Crunch. Debe sikhuluma naye ke Static Flow.